Hi, welcome to Go One. This is a three-part mini-series on how to add your team to the portal, deliver the training to them, and then how to track that training. So this video is part one, how to add your team to the portal. So once I've logged into the portal and accessed the dashboard and homepage, you'll be set up as an administrator. And so what you want to do is go to your initials or your avatar in the top right hand corner and select the administer section. From there, you're going to go to users and you're going to hit create to add users one by one using their email address, first name, last name, what you would like their role to be. If they're just undertaking the courses, they'll be a learner. You can set up managers if you want team leaders and supervisors to be able to track their team as well. And then obviously you can set up other admins. Here's where you assign their manager, and then we make sure that they're active and they're getting a welcome email. So that's the one-by-one process. To do that for multiple users, there is a CSV import function. You can download a sample CSV file from here, and it'll just ask you for the same information as the one-by-one. Hi, this is part two in the Getting Set Up mini-series on how to deliver the training to your team. And we'll go through how to do that on a one-by-one basis or to multiple users at the same time. So the easiest way to do it one by one is just to go to the Explore tab, locate the piece of content that you're interested in, and then on each course you'll see this ellipsis button here. If I select that, then I can enroll users in it, or I can assign to them, which will allow me to attach a due date. So if I hit enroll other users, it's as simple as typing in their name and selecting them and then enrolling them in that course. So that's on a one-by-one basis. To enroll multiple users, if I click into the settings of the course and go into the reports section, then I can hit enroll users, and it will show me all users that aren't currently enrolled in that course. I can select a couple of users or all users and then enroll them in that course. So that's how to enroll users one by one or in bulk. If you'd like to assign content in bulk, then groups is the functionality that you'll use. So you'll see in this example, I've got some role-based groups set up, and what I can do is actually assign content to that group. If I go into one as an example and hit the assign button, find the piece of content that I'm interested in and assign it to that group. And what that will do is automatically assign it to all members in the group. So you could have role-based groups, department-based groups, and company-wide groups as well. So that's how to enroll or assign the content to your team. Thanks. Welcome to part three in the Getting Set Up mini-series, where we'll cover how to track your team's progress in the training. So we're going to use the administer section again here. So if you click on your initials or avatar in the top right hand corner and then administer, we want to go to the enrollments tab. You can see once we're in here that we have a whole bunch of different data, and so we'll need to filter it down to get a report. And this is where we can start to build out a reporting dashboard. So as an example, I can filter by a specific title. Just going to filter down to anything with the word forklift in it. I can further differentiate that to an exact title. I can filter by user, by type, by status. As an example, I have a report here that I've done, which is all courses completed. which is showing me a full list based on the filter of the type is a course and the status is completed based on my filters. So a whole heap of different reports that I can pull. I can also pull a number of different views. So I can, if I hit the configuration button, when I'm back on my standard tab, I can look at pie charts to get a breakdown of how everyone's tracking. I can look at bar charts to see that same breakdown across my top 10 courses in this example. And I can also track learning over time. And another really useful view is the pivot table, which allows you to create your own custom reports. So you can drag and drop fields into the pivot table, and it'll populate the report as you do so. So it allows you to create quite customized reports, and also allows you to create an ordinary matrix style report where you're listing the due date or expiry date on content rather than just a count of one.